If you're looking for a simple, low-commitment way to earn extra money from home, Branded Surveys is one of the most popular and trusted survey platforms out there. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, complete your profile, and start earning points you can redeem for cash or gift cards. Branded Surveys is a paid survey platform with over 3 million users. Companies use it to collect opinions from real people, and you get rewarded for sharing your thoughts. Surveys typically pay between 50 cents and $5 depending on length, and you can cash out through PayPal, bank transfer, or hundreds of gift card options. Signing up takes less than 2 minutes. 1. Go to the Branded Surveys website. On the homepage, click Sign Up. 2. Enter your email and create a password. 3. Agree to the terms and privacy policy. This is required to create your account. 4. Click Sign Up. Next, start to build your Branded Surveys profile to earn your first 50 points and click Start Earning. The last step in the sign-up process is completing your first profile survey to get the 100-point welcome bonus. When you do your first profile survey, you will be asked questions about your age, gender, household, employment, shopping habits, and lifestyle. The more complete your profile is, the more surveys you'll be matched with, and the fewer disqualifications you'll experience. Check the Branded Surveys My Dashboard for profile surveys. You earn up to 5 points for completion, and that adds even more opportunities for survey matches. Each day, make sure to check your dashboard for the daily poll, which will earn you 5 points each day. These polls literally take less than a minute to complete. You can find the daily poll at the bottom of the page. If you ever get stuck or want to learn more about how Branded Surveys works, the FAQ section is your best friend. Go to your dashboard, scroll down to the bottom of the page, click FAQ. Inside the FAQ, you'll find answers about account setup, points and rewards, survey disqualifications, payment methods, troubleshooting. It's a quick way to get official answers without contacting support. If you want to check out your accumulated points, they are always visible right at the top of your dashboard on the left. You'll see total points available, approved and pending points, and lastly, a detailed list of all the surveys you have gotten points awarded for, completed or otherwise. The Leaderboard is Branded Surveys' weekly competition system. It ranks members based on how many points they earn during the week. The more surveys you complete, the higher you climb. Make sure to check it out to see where you rank with other survey takers. The leaderboard isn't just for bragging rights. It directly affects how many bonus points you earn at the end of the week. The bronze tier earns a small weekly bonus earned by completing a modest number of surveys. The silver tier earns a higher weekly bonus but requires more consistent activity. Lastly, gold tier earns the highest weekly bonuses and is for users who complete surveys daily and earn the most points. The higher your tier, the bigger your bonus, and the leaderboard shows exactly where you stand. The referral program lets you earn extra points by inviting other people to join Branded Surveys. When someone signs up using your unique referral link and completes surveys, you earn bonus points automatically. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your earnings without doing extra survey work. How does the program work? You get a personal referral link inside your dashboard. You can share that link with friends, family, or followers, and when someone signs up using your link, they become your referral. Once they complete enough surveys to reach the required threshold, you earn bonus points. You earn points simply because they joined and participated. You don't have to do anything else. To find your referral information, access it directly from your dashboard. Look for the Invite Friends link. Your unique referral link will be displayed, and you can copy it and share it anywhere. It's as simple as that. Make sure to share your link on social media, mention it in your YouTube or TikTok videos, send it to friends who might be looking for a side hustle, add it to your email signature, and post it in online communities that allow referral links. Remember, the more people you reach, the more passive points you earn. Payouts are how you turn your Branded Surveys points into real money or gift cards. Once you reach the minimum threshold, you can cash out directly from your dashboard. You need 500 points to redeem a payout. 500 points equals $5 US. Points can be redeemed in increments depending on the payout method you choose. You redeem points inside your dashboard. Go to Redeem Points, choose your payout method, select the amount, confirm your redemption. Your current balance is always visible at the top of your dashboard. Branded Surveys offers multiple ways to get paid. 1. PayPal Fast, Easy, and one of the most popular options, and funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. 2. Bank Transfer. Direct deposit to your bank account, and processing time is similar to PayPal. 3. Gift cards. Choose from hundreds of options, including Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, or Visa prepaid cards. Gift cards are typically delivered instantly or within 24 hours. Most payouts arrive within 1 to 3 business days, but gift cards can be faster. If you redeem late on a Friday or during a holiday, processing may take slightly longer. Before you redeem, make sure your points are available, not pending. Pending points equals waiting for approval. Available points equals ready to redeem. Pending points usually clear within a few days after completing a survey. Payouts are the final step of your earnings cycle. They give you real cash, gift cards you can use immediately, a sense of progress, and the motivation to keep earning. It's the moment your time turns into real rewards. To avoid payout delays, make sure your email is verified, use the same name on your PayPal bank account, and avoid creating multiple accounts. Redeem payouts earlier in the week for faster processing. Offers are extra earning opportunities inside branded surveys that go beyond traditional surveys. They're usually found in a section called Offer Wall or Offers on your dashboard. Offers let you earn large amounts of points by completing simple tasks, such as signing up for a free trial, downloading an app, watching videos, completing a purchase, or registering for a service. They're optional, but they can significantly boost your earnings. You can access offers directly from your dashboard by looking for offers on the bottom left. Browse through available tasks and select an offer to see the requirements and points. Each offer clearly shows how many points you'll earn and what you need to do. Every offer has a specific requirement you must complete to earn points. For example, download an app, earn points once you open it. Sign up for a newsletter, earn points after confirming your email. Start a free trial, earn points once your account is verified. Make a purchase, earn points after the transaction clears. Points are usually credited automatically, but some offers may take a few hours or days to process. Why do offers matter? Offers can give you higher point payouts than regular surveys, fast progress toward cash outs, and more earning options when surveys are slow. Variety, not just answering questions. Some offers pay hundreds or even thousands of points depending on the task. Here are some tips for completing offers. Successfully, read the requirements carefully. Every offer is different. Use accurate information. Mismatched details can prevent credit. Take screenshots, helpful if you need to contact support. Avoid offers requiring purchases if you only want free options. Check your email. Many offers require confirmation. The key is to follow the instructions exactly so your points get credited. Are offers safe? Offers come from third-party partners. They're generally safe, but some may require personal information. Some may require payment details for free trials. Some may send promotional emails. Always choose offers you're comfortable with. Offers are available for Android, Apple, iOS, and desktop laptop users. Surveys not matching with you is one of the most common things people experience on branded surveys, and it's not your fault. Every survey is created for a specific demographic. Companies might be looking for people in a certain age group, a specific income range, certain job industries, homeowners versus renters, or parents versus non-parents. If your profile doesn't match what the survey needs, you'll be screened out. This is the #1 reason surveys don't match. Some surveys fill up fast. If thousands of people already completed it, the survey closes, even if you technically qualify. This is why sometimes you click a survey and get screened out immediately. This is also a prime example as to why you should keep your profile updated as often as possible in doing profile surveys. You sometimes earn 1 to 3 points on branded surveys even when you don't finish the survey, and it's not a glitch. It's actually part of how survey providers reward partial participation. Most surveys begin with a short set of screening questions. These determine whether you fit the target audience. Even if you don't qualify for the full survey, branded surveys often gives you points for completing those initial questions. This is called a partial match reward. Sometimes surveys fill up while you're answering. If the quota closes or the survey ends unexpectedly, branded surveys may award partial points so your time isn't wasted. This prevents frustration and keeps the experience fair. Companies still value the answers you gave during the first minute or two. Even if you're screened out later, those early responses help them to verify demographics, check consumer habits, filter participants, or improve targeting. Because your answers still had value, you get a small reward. Some surveys have internal checkpoints. If you reach one of these before being screened out, you may earn a small number of points for reaching that stage. Think of it like getting credit for progress. Branded Surveys is one of the few platforms that gives partial credit instead of giving you nothing, and even small points add up toward your weekly leaderboard bonus. Premium surveys are higher value surveys offered through Branded Surveys partner networks. They usually pay more points, appear more frequently, and cover a wide range of topics. They're designed to give you extra earning opportunities beyond the standard Branded Surveys inventory. Premium surveys can be found midway down the dashboard under Extra Earning Opportunities. Click the link to go to the page. Premium surveys come from third-party market research companies that need fast responses, want specific demographics, or pay branded surveys to recruit participants. Because these companies pay more, you earn more points for completing their surveys. Premium surveys follow the same basic flow as regular surveys. You click the survey and answer qualification questions. If you match, you complete the full survey. Points are awarded after approval, and if you don't qualify, you may still earn 1 to 3 points for partial participation. Premium surveys often have stricter targeting, meaning narrow demographics, specific product usage, recent purchase behavior, or certain medical or lifestyle criteria. Because these pay more, they need very specific participants. The bottom line is premium surveys are high-value, partner-provided surveys that pay more points and help you earn faster. They may screen out more often, but when you qualify, the payout is worth it. You may occasionally run into webcam surveys. Webcam surveys are a special type of survey on branded surveys that use your web camera to collect live reactions, facial expressions, or spoken feedback. They're not super common, but when they appear, they usually pay more points because they require more engagement. They're used for high-quality market research, especially when companies want real human reactions instead of just written answers. If you have a web camera and want to participate, you click the survey like normal. You'll be asked to enable your webcam. Make sure to allow camera access in your browser. Answer questions while your camera records your reactions, and points are awarded after approval. Some webcam surveys also record audio, so you may be asked to speak your thoughts out loud. Webcam surveys might involve watching a commercial, reacting to a new product design, giving spoken feedback, or sharing your opinion on a concept or idea. Always remember that webcam surveys are optional. If you don't want to use your camera, you can simply skip them. Some important things to note: your video is used only for research purposes and is stored by the survey provider, not Branded Surveys. You can decline any webcam survey without penalty. Always make sure you're comfortable with the task before starting. During the course of completing a survey, you may finish one entirely or get very close to finishing when you are redirected back to the Branded Surveys website with an error message. That message might say, for instance, that you didn't qualify even though you completed the survey, or you might receive a different message altogether. If this happens, you can report a survey issue by going to your dashboard, clicking on My Points, and then scrolling to the bottom of the page where it says Having Trouble with a Survey. Click the link Report Issue. On the Report Survey Issue page, find the survey you're having trouble with and click the Report Issue button on the right. Use the drop-down menu to select the type of issue, describe the problem, and upload a screenshot of the error if you captured one. You can also provide a link to the survey or error if available. Click Submit to send your report to Branded Surveys. They will review your issue within 3 business days and notify you by email once it has been resolved. Any missing or lost points will be credited to your account upon resolution. All right, that's everything you need to know to get started with Branded Surveys, from signing up, completing your profile, navigating the dashboard, understanding points, payouts, offers, premium surveys, webcam surveys, and even why you sometimes get partial points. Once you get the hang of it, branded surveys becomes one of the easiest and most consistent ways to earn a little extra money from home. If you want to jump in and start earning right away, I've included my invite link in the description below. Using it helps support the channel, and it also gets you started on the right track. So go ahead, click the link, create your account, and begin earning points today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video, and happy earning!